Wicked Tuna features state-of-the-art fishing boats built to withstand the tough conditions of the North Atlantic. Captained by experienced fishermen, these vessels are equipped for the high-stakes hunt for bluefin tuna. Here's a look at the boats, their models, and estimated costs. Wicked Tuna boats and their costs. FV Tuna, 44-foot Calvin Beale, $400,000 to $500,000. Captained by Dave Carraro, this durable vessel is designed for serious commercial fishing. Hard merchandise, 38-foot Daniel's Head, $250,000. Dave Marciano's sturdy boat, perfect for battling rough seas. Pinwheel, 55-foot Dixon, $650,000 to $750,000. Tyler McLaughlin's large and powerful boat excels in long-distance fishing. Hot Tuna, 48-foot Dixon, $550,000 to $650,000. TJ Ott's well-equipped boat, ideal for extended trips. Wicked Pissa, 40-foot Osmond Beale, $400,000 to $450,000. Paul Hebert's rugged boat built for tough conditions. Fat Tuna, 46-foot Muscle Ridge, $500,000 to $600,000. Bob Cook's fast and spacious fishing machine. Time Flies, 32-foot Everglades, $300,000 to $350,000. Jack Patricken's agile boat for quick maneuvers. No Limits, 33-foot Blue Hill Marine, $350,000 to $400,000. Michelle Banchowitz's versatile boat, combining speed and stability.